What's going on, team? Happy freaking Tuesday. Okay, so the exercise of the week is a chair dip or a bench dip. If you're one of my one-on-one clients, then more than likely this has been prescribed in your workouts, right? And so it works the back of your arms, okay? The salt shakers, if you will. So the bench dip, it gets your triceps. It's a tricep extension. This is one of the simplest exercises that you can do because all it requires is a bench or a chair and you can do it. So here's how to do it. Okay. So you're going to scoot to the edge of the bench or the chair and then place your hands just right there on the edge, right? So I'm gripping around the edge of the bench, again, of the chair. Those are going to be interchangeable. Okay. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to tuck your arms in. All right. So I want you to tuck your arms in close to you. So they're not out here. They're right there beside you. All right. Then you're going to scoot to the edge of the bench. And with this, so this is the most common mistake that I see people do, is they move too far away from the bench. All right. And then that puts just your shoulder in a vulnerable position. So make sure that your butt is still up against the chair or close to the chair, close to the bench, okay? So scoot to the edge of the chair, scoot out, and then straighten out your legs with a little bit of a knee bend. All right, bend your elbows, and then come back up. Bend your elbows, come back up, okay? If you need that to be a little easier, what I want you to do is walk your feet closer to you. Okay, so now you have that support from your legs as you come back up. Okay, again, staying close to the bench, not letting your butt wander off. All right, stay close to the bench. Another mistake that I see people do is that they're going down too far. All right, you don't want to do that. That puts, again, your shoulder in a vulnerable position. So you just want to go down so your elbows are about 90 degrees and then straighten out. Okay. So that is a bench dip, again, getting your triceps. So if y'all have any questions about this exercise, please let me know. And if you have any other exercise that you want me to break down, coach you up on, drop them in the comments and I'll add them to the list. Other than that, have a wonderful Tuesday. Go win.